హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు విద్యా టీవీ. ఈ పర్టికులర్ వీడియోలో మనం ఇంగ్లీష్ లాంగ్వేజ్ యాప్టిట్యూడ్ పైన ఎంసీక్యూస్ చేద్దాం. కంపల్సరీ దీస్ విల్ బి హెల్ప్ఫుల్ ఫర్ ద జూనియర్ అసిస్టెంట్. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి, దిస్ డ్రెస్ సూట్స్ హర్ స్టైల్, షీ డాష్ డెఫినెట్లీ లైక్ ఇట్. అంటే దిస్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ సెలెక్ట్ ద సూటబుల్ వర్డ్. దిస్ డ్రెస్ సూట్స్ హర్ స్టైల్, she dash definitely like it. And the options are: option A, can, could, will, may. He gave us the four options. This dress suits her style, she dash definitely like it, she will definitely like it. That means option C is the right answer. This dress suits her style, she will definitely like it. Right. Next question వచ్చేసి, when John was 2, he dash already speak very well. And when John was 2 years old, he dash already speak very well. When John was 2, he could. Okay, the options are might, could, can, should. And the answer is option B, could. When John was 2 years old, he could already స్పీక్ వెరీ వెల్. జాన్ 2 years ఉన్నప్పుడు తను అప్పటికే మంచిగా మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు అనేది ఈ సెంటెన్స్కి అర్థం. సో దేర్ ఫోర్ ఆప్షన్ బి ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. అవర్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఆప్షన్ బి. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి, షీ డాష్ విజిట్ అవర్ గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్ హౌస్ డ్యూరింగ్ హాలిడేస్. షీ డాష్ విజిట్స్ అవర్ గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్ హౌస్ డ్యూరింగ్ హాలిడేస్. ద ఆప్షన్స్ ఆర్ డేర్ టు, ought to, can, might. She dash visits her parents' house during holidays. She ought to visit her grandparents' house during holidays. That means option B is the right answer. She ought to visit her grandparents' house during holidays. That means she will definitely visit her grandparents' house during holidays. Next question వచ్చేసి, dash I talk to the manager. Dash I talk to the manager. And the options are might, may, could, shall. And the options are might, may, could, shall. Dash I talk to the manager. It's a question mark. Okay. Shall I? That means option D is the right answer. Shall I talk to the manager? It's a question mark kabatti shall I talk to the manager. It didn't happen. Ante action is not yet completed kabatti it should be present tense. So shall I talk to the manager or could I talk to the manager is also right. So it can be or may I talk to the manager. Yes, even might also suits for it, but I undi kabatti we have to go for shall. Shall I talk to the manager? That means option D is the right answer. Next question వచ్చేసి, during peak hours it dash take more than 2 hours. During peak hours it dash takes more than 2 hours. During peak hours it will take more than 2 hours. That means option D is the right answer. During peak hours it will take more than 2 hours. Or during peak hours it can take more than 2 hours. It will take more than 2, it can take more than. I have a confusion for this answer. During peak hours it will take or can take. D or A అనేది నాకు డౌట్ ఉంది. ఇఫ్ యూ నో ద ఆన్సర్ ప్లీజ్ పుట్ ఎ కమెంట్ ఫర్ దిస్ ఆన్సర్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి, హౌ డాష్ షీ డూ దట్ టు అస్. హౌ డాష్ షీ డూ దట్ టు అస్. ఇట్స్ అన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేటరీ sentence. How could she do that to us? How could she do that to us? That is option C is the right answer. How could she do that to us? That is option C is the right answer. Next question వచ్చేసి, if I get the required assistance I dash pass the exam in the first attempt. If I get the required assistance I dash pass the exam in the first attempt. If I get the required assistance I shall pass the exam in the first attempt. Okay, that means if I get the required assistance, I shall. That means the action is not yet completed. It's present tense kabatti I shall. Shall should be followed with I. Next question. We dash always respect our elders. We dash always respect our, we should. It compulsory kabatti option C. We should always respect our elders. Option C is the right answer. We should always respect our elders. Next question vachesi dash we shall money party. Dash we save money for the party. Dash we save money for the party. And the options we have would, need, shall, should, dare. Okay, should, and it's a question mark, sorry, it's a question mark kabatti should we save money for the party, should we. Okay, that means option C is the right answer. Should we save money for the party? Next one. All the students dash obey the school regulations. All students must. Okay, all students must obey the school regulations. That is option B is the right answer. All the students must obey the school regulations. Next question vachesi you dash visit them, just make a phone call. You dash visit them, just make a phone call. You need not visit them, just make a phone call. Okay, you need not visit them, you just make a phone call. That is option C is the right answer. Just read the sentences and just look at the options. ఏది మీకు సూటబుల్ అయితేనే మనకు ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఆ వర్డ్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి. బికాస్ సెంటెన్స్ని బట్టి సెంటెన్స్ మనకు 2-3 సార్లు చదివితే మనకు ఆటోమేటిక్గా అర్థమవుతుంది ఏ వర్డ్ ఆ పర్టికులర్ గ్యాప్లో ఆ పర్టికులర్ బ్లాంక్లో ఫిట్ అవుతుంది అనేసి. రైట్, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి ఆల్ మెంబర్స్ డాష్ అటెండ్ ద మీటింగ్ యాజ్ పర్ ద నోటీస్. ఆల్ మెంబర్స్ డాష్ అటెండ్ ద మీటింగ్ యాజ్ పర్ ద నోటీస్. Options can, would, might, should. All the members should attend. It is compulsory kabatti option D is the right answer. That means all members should attend the meeting as per the notice. It's an order kabatti. There dash be a famous shop here. There used to be. Okay, there used to be. So that means option A is the right answer. There used to be a famous shop here. Next question vachesi there has been a landslide dash you dash be careful while driving there. There has been a landslide. You dash be careful while driving there. There has been a landslide. You must. Okay, it's a compulsory, it's a advice. Okay, there has been a landslide. You must be careful while driving there. So that is option B is the right answer. Next question. I dash have won the tournament. I dash have won the tournament. I need to right, I could have won the tournament. I could have, that is option C. I will, I need to అనేది ఇవన్నీ present tense. Could అనేది it fits and day to it doesn't suit the sentence. So therefore option C is the right answer. I could have won the tournament. Next question వచ్చేసి you dare speak in the library. You dare not. Okay, that is option B is the right answer. You dare not speak in the library. Okay, you dare not or even you must not speak. You must not or dare not suits, but I feel option B is the right answer. You dare not speak in the library. It's a rule. Right, next one. We dash definitely look into the matter, the officer affirmed. We dash definitely look into the matter, the officer affirmed. Like we will definitely, option C, the officer affirmed that we will definitely look into the matter. Okay, officer said that he will definitely look into the matter. That means option C is the రైట్ ఆన్సర్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి ఇట్స్ టైమ్ వి డాష్ లీవ్. ఇట్స్ టైమ్ వి డాష్ లీవ్. ద ఆప్షన్స్ ఆర్ మైట్, షుడ్, మైట్ హ్యావ్, కుడ్ హ్యావ్. ఇట్స్ టైమ్ we should leave. That means option B is the right answer. Option B, which is we should leave, is the right answer. Option B. Next question వచ్చేసి we are dash wait in the lobby until the receptionist calls again. We are dash wait in the lobby until the receptionist calls again. We are supposed to wait. Okay, that means option A is the right answer. We are supposed to wait in the lobby until the receptionist calls again. Next question. Oh, I dash have loved to go with you all. I dash have loved to go with you all. And the answer is oh, it's an explanatory. I should have loved to go with you all, or I might have loved to go with you all, or I would have loved to go with you all. So that means option D is the right answer. This one also I have a little doubt. If you know the answer, please put the answer in the comment section. Oh, I would have loved to go with you all. That is option D is the right answer. Dash you pass me the salt and pepper. Can you pass me the salt and pepper? That means option B is the right answer. Can you pass me the salt and pepper? Okay, read the question 2 to 3 times. Automatically you will get the answer. Right. That's all for this video. Thank you.